Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Excel tutorial. This time we're going to make a Gantt chart. Gantt chart actually not readily viewable in Excel, but you could easily create it using chart. Like chart, that is stick table chart. How to make it? First, block this, you could use have the activity here, the start. You could use month, year, or whatever, but make sure you could count it like it's number, okay? And the duration, date, you could make it too if you want to put date like 1 Jan 26 or whatever. You could do this. Duration also, it needs to be numbers. Then use the chart here. From here, insert column or bar chart. Use take bar. You will create this. From here, you could understand this, but you could make or use any design you want. Doesn't matter. If you like other design like this, use it. Now, first we need to make it look like more like Gantt chart. Gantt chart usually show first activity at the top, so let's do that. Click here, the activity, and then format axis. Category in reverse order, so to make it in reverse. Pick the title you want, like whatever. This is Chow Chow's master plan. Example. Then Gantt chart usually doesn't show this. Yeah, let's remove this. But that is series. First, we don't need his to have fill. We don't need line, and usually there's a shadow here if you see this, depending on your setup. So yeah, no shadow. And now the Gantt chart is viewable. You could edit this too, so you don't want it start from wherever, so make it, if you want to start from 195 with minor 1 or major 1, easily more understandable. The link is make it like 209. Also edit this to easily read. Like making the alignment to or the direction to back or rotate or wherever, like this or this. Or custom angle like this, or usually it's like this, maybe if you want. Yeah, use whatever you want. Just not a good example of Gantt chart. Usually Gantt chart start like, yeah, let's change the data. Usually not like this. Is too big. If you want to reduce it, you could. Let's make this more streamlined. Usually it's more like this. And if it's not year, you could make it like month, like 1 Jan 2022. It's just like 8 Jan 2022. So we're going to need to change this first. Just reset this. I know it's chaos because we have this, so let's consider it plus rand. Then 11 and 30. Just for example, if you make it like days, so you need to make it days too. So yeah, 7 this is like 30 days, 25 days, 40 days, 11 days, 20 days, 8 days. Yeah, like this you could do this too, or you could make it simply by month, like everything is in month. Yeah, just for example. Or something. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. This is Gantt chart, a very simple one that is. You could actually place it into one and then just make a formula to, if you choose one or two, like in here, then it's automatically choose the month, blowing up the duration or something. Yeah, do whatever you want. This is pretty useful for Excel, and it's pretty easy to make too. This is a back example of Gantt chart, but yeah, that's the gist of it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.